Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to one product that I have on repeat in my house. This is the Cliganic jojoba oil. It is an organic jojoba oil, and the one ingredient is, you guessed it, jojoba oil. No extra stuff added, and I just love it. I literally use it for everything that we need to around the house. I use this jojoba oil in so many different scenarios in our house. So I use it as a main ingredient in many DIY products, such as hair butter, beard oil, essential oil rollers, but I also use it by itself as well. It is a very nice, nourishing oil that really goes so nicely in the skin. It's great not only for cuticles, it's great for hair, it's great for your skin, it's great for cleansing your face. I mean, the uses of this oil are literally endless. Sometimes I get the 4 ounces and sometimes I get the bigger one, but no matter what, when I get my jojoba oil from Cliganics, I know that it's a good quality product that I can use over and over again. I have ordered this product many times and it never fails me. I don't notice an overwhelming smell ever when I use this, but what I do notice is nice, smooth skin. If you want to add a little bit of nourishment and hydration into your beauty routine or your DIY products, I would highly suggest checking out this jojoba oil. But that's just my point of view.